It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. When it is obvious that the goals cannot be reached, don't adjust the goals, adjust the action steps. The superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. He who learns but does not think is lost. He who thinks but does not learn is in great danger. To see what is right and not do it is the want of courage. Respect yourself, and others will respect you. Success depends upon previous preparation, and without such preparation, there is sure to be failure. Worry not that no one knows you, seek to be worth knowing. It is better to light one small candle than to curse the darkness. I hear, and I forget. I see, and I remember. I do, and I understand. Silence is a true friend who never betrays. Real knowledge is to know the extent of one's ignorance. Only the wisest and stupidest of men never change. The journey with a 1,000 miles begins with one step. Hold faithfulness and sincerity as first principles. Learning without thought is labor lost. Thought without learning is perilous. The superior man acts before he speaks, and afterwards speaks according to his action. To be wronged is nothing, unless you continue to remember it. He who speaks without modesty will find it difficult to make his words good. If you make a mistake and do not correct it, this is called a mistake. The strength of a nation derives from the integrity of the home. When we see men of a contrary character, we should turn inwards and examine ourselves. The superior man is distressed by the limitations of his ability. He is not distressed by the fact that men do not recognize the ability that he has. To go beyond is as wrong as to fall short. In a country well governed, poverty is something to be ashamed of. In a country badly governed, wealth is something to be ashamed of. By three methods we may learn wisdom. First, by reflection, which is noblest. Second, by imitation, which is easiest. And third, by experience, which is the bitterest. A superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. If you look into your own heart, and you find nothing wrong there, what is there to worry about? What is there to fear? Ignorance is the night of the mind, but a night without moon and star. When anger rises, think of the consequences. The man who says he can, and the man who says he cannot, are both correct. Humility is the solid foundation of all virtues. Do not impose on others what you yourself do not desire. The essence of knowledge is having it, to apply it, not having it, to confess your ignorance. To see and listen to the wicked is already the beginning of wickedness. When you have faults, do not fear to abandon them. The object of the superior man is truth. Virtue is not left to stand alone. He who practices it will have neighbors. He who will not economize will have to agonize. The cautious seldom err. To be able to practice 5 things everywhere under heaven constitutes perfect virtue. These 5 are gravity, generosity of soul, sincerity, earnestness, and kindness. To love a thing means wanting it to live. He who wishes to secure the good of others has already secured his own. Study the past if you would define the future. Better a diamond with a flaw than a pebble without. Forget injuries, never forget kindnesses.